As you can see, tuner defects can create a number of symptoms within the receiver. These defects may be caused by a component which has changed value, a failed component, poor solder joints, or poor connections at the input of the tuner stages. We will now pause for a short review of the material just discussed. The televised transmitted RF signal contains 4 basic forms of information: image, color, sound, and synchronizing control pulses. The tuner consists of 2 major sections, the UHF, or ultra-high frequency stage, and the VHF, or very high frequency stage. The UHF stage is designed to receive channels 14 to 69 of the broadcast channel bandwidth. The VHF stage is designed to receive channels 2 to 13 of the broadcast channel bandwidth. The tuner section has 3 main functions. First, it selects the desired channel. Second, it amplifies the weak RF signal. Third, it converts the RF signal to a much lower intermediate frequency value. Defects in the tuner stage can cause problems in the image, color, and sound reproduction within the television receiver. This concludes review number 1. At this time, you should stop the video and complete section A in your student workbook. Now let's examine the automatic fine-tuning stage in the color television receiver. The automatic fine-tuning, or AFT as it is often called, is used to automatically lock in the best possible reception for the channel selected. Since fine-tuning is very critical in a color receiver, this stage is rather important. Notice that the AFT stage is fed by the video IF detector section. The video IF detector stage outputs a 45.75 MHz AC signal into the AFT section. This signal is used to control the output of the automatic fine-tuning stage. The output of the AFT stage is then fed into the VHF section. The signal actually goes to the VHF tuner oscillator circuit, where it is used as a correction voltage to change the frequency of the oscillator circuit, so that tuner is forced to lock in on the best possible reception of the incoming signal. This then allows the automatic fine-tuning stage to control the fine-tuning within the television receiver. There may be times when the AFT stage is labeled as an AFC stage. The AFC stands for Automatic Frequency Control. In either case, the function of the stage remains the same. Now let's examine the video IF detector stage and see what it does. The video IF detector stage provides most of the signal amplification of the incoming signal. It also provides the selectivity and bandpass characteristics necessary to minimize the interference caused by adjacent channel frequencies. This stage also converts the high-frequency IF signal into a composite video waveform. Notice that this stage also provides an output signal to the sound IF detector stage located in the first part of the audio portion of the television receiver. Even though the video IF detector stage is represented by a single block in the block diagram, it actually consists of 3 or 4 video IF amplifier stages, a video detector circuit, and a sound IF detector circuit. As you can see, this stage is responsible for several functions within the color television receiver. Since the video IF detector stage processes the video image, color, and sound portions of the signal information, defects in this stage will create a variety of symptoms within the color receiver. These